Now I can start the build by first gluing these foam wing sections together, making sure that the middle section is the strongest to glue onto the wooden frame. My helper is going to be gluing the wing together on the left side while I attach the mini brushless motor. The servos we're going to be using is 1.5 gram micro servos with a normal Spectrum receiver. Now the wing is completed, and the next thing would be to glue the elevator and the rudder together. That's that red foam board you see there on the left. Now I'm attaching the control rods or the push rods onto the elevator and the rudder and gluing it onto the stick. The installation of the 1.5 gram servos has been completed, and now we are sorting out a way to attach the wing securely by adding this small block of foam to make the wing a little bit higher than the stick. So it's also got a lower center of gravity, which makes it a little bit more stable. So here's the finished plane or the finished build. I'm going to quickly plug it in here. It's a little bit difficult to do it with one hand, but I'll make it work. Okay, there we go. Now the receiver is on, and I'm going to bind it to my controller, which is already pre-binded. I was binding it beforehand, so it should already be connected. When I move the stick, you can see the rudder moving, and the elevator is on the left stick for up and down. This also, you can see it moving at the bottom there. When I pick the plane up and turn it around, you can better visualize how it will move in the air. Here is the elevator and the rudder, left and right, and up and down. Now the next thing is to quickly test the motor. Here it's spinning up. And it's quite powerful. It should be more than enough to get this plane in the air and flying.